Looks like I'm ready to do some work, and here I am in the bathroom, my favorite place. And I'm getting ready to paint this. And you know, it's just a small little bathroom, and this is what happens after you get moved in when you don't have enough time to get everything done. You get moved in, and then you think you're gonna finish, and it's been a while since we've been in, but I've got this bathroom to paint and the other bathroom to paint, and I was trying to get that all done before we moved in here, but it just didn't work out. So we've been using these bathrooms the way they are, and I thought, okay, today is the day I need to start working back on this bathroom. And have you ever heard the saying, it's all in the prep? Yes, it even goes for a little bathroom like this. And if you've noticed, see that? Isn't that a nice little light fixture there? But I installed that earlier because I needed to before we moved in. Now I'm going to have to pull it out. That's going to be part of the video series as well. And I had installed this door previously, took the hinges off, painted the door jamb. I went from there over to there, and I knew I was going to have to finish painting in the bathroom. So one of the things I'm going to have to do too is take the door back off, take the hinges off. And I remembered I painted up over this edge just a little bit. I could have finished off this side, but I thought I'll do that when I do the bathrooms. You know, I probably should have done that before, but then I was thinking, okay, well, if I get a little bit on the wall, so be it. I'm going to be painting that anyways. Well, as it was, I'm glad I didn't, because